Hi traders, this is Alex FX. I'm looking to trade this bearish rectangle. You can see prices currently breaking through this area right here. So there's two ways I like to trade these patterns. Normally either a break, a nice candle close below the level, or in this case you see how far prices actually moved away from the level. So what I want to do is I want to actually look to sell on a retracement back to the area. So what we have is support broken, look for it to retest as resistance. So what I want to do now is just set a sell limit order at this area right here, so around the 34, 44, 45 area, so circuit 45. So put that in there. So you see that sell order right there. So what we're looking for, as I said, we're looking for broken support to act as a resistance. Now there's two options with the stop loss. You can put it above the high here. For a retest, normally what I like to do is I like to bring it inside the actual rectangle itself, and it just gives us a better risk reward on the trade. And I try and hide the stop behind a level of resistance. So what I'm going to do here is just modify this. I want to keep the stop loss just above resistance inside the actual pattern. So make it at 34.57 area. Alright, so what that does, you see that area of resistance, we've got this level that I want to see price hold. Now what we can do is measure the actual take profit area. So all that is just measure the width of the actual pattern or rectangle. So we measure the height and we extend that distance from the breakout point. So this is the area right here I'm looking for the take profit. So let's see if we can get filled. So price is pulling back here. Just missed us there by a fraction of a pip really. See if we can get a retracement back in here. So we've just had price pull back on us, and you can see we've had our order filled. And now we just wait and see what happens. So once we've got the order filled, what I want to do now is add that take profit area. So we can just drag that on the chart. And remember, for a sell, we need to add the spread. So make it a few pips above that. Almost like a pip or two normally should be fine. Let's wait and see if we can get renewed selling here. This is the area that we want to see the sellers come in at. Alright, so price is moving off here fairly nicely. We're up about 3, 4, 5 pips out at the moment. You can see our take profit just flashing green there, which is obviously a nice sign. Alright, so price has pulled back quite aggressively here. You can see that big bullish candle. So we're getting some strong buying coming in. And I don't like the look of this. You can see this candle pushing up towards our stop, but I want to see if we can get a close back below this area. So price has come back and has actually retested this broken area as support again. You see how we took this trade at resistance, and now it's coming back and retesting it as support. So this is the level right here. We need to see price break and hold below. Now you could actually close the trade pretty much at break even if you wanted to. What I want to do is just leave this and see what happens. You can see the buyers coming back off this level, so it's just a simple resistance becoming support now. Alright, so continued buying coming in here again. This is not looking good for the trade, and really want to see it move back down, otherwise we're likely to get stopped on this. See this area holding, and you can see the buyers coming back off that area of support. So very simple. It was broken support, looked for resistance to hold, and now it's back to support again. And I'm just moving to this 5-minute chart. Alright, so sellers are coming in again. This is the area that's really the decision point now. If the buyers are going to come in, this is the level. Otherwise, we want to see a close below support. Alright, so buyers are still coming in at this area, and you can see now we're just stuck in a range, and just a mini rectangle. I'm pushing up again, just breaking out of the highs here, and it looks like we're going to get taken out on this trade. Alright, so we've just been stopped out on this trade. Just recapping, price broke out and we looked for a retest of resistance. That didn't hold and came back and tested a support. You can see we got stopped out, and I'll just show you on the 15-minute chart where we placed our stop above this resistance area right over here. So save this a few pips. You could either put the stop above the high here, but in this case I've put it above resistance inside the rectangle, and obviously we've got stopped on that. So hope you found that helpful. I'm AlexFX and thank you for watching.